The market is closing positive with all share index up 0.14% for today. Top gainers, we have Fitsin, we have Eternal, we have MC Nichols, we have GlaxoSmithKline, we have WAPCO, we have top losers today. We have Academy Press, Chi PLC, Lincolnshire, Jais Bank, Veritas Cap. I have Mr. Paul Azum. Mr. Paul, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Good afternoon. Yes, the market is up again today, 0.14%. What's your reaction to this?
Well, what we're seeing today is a build-up of the bullish trend within the market so far in the past 1 month, especially since the release of Q1 financials of companies. The Q1 financials of companies shows that the sector has really picked up. Notable among them the stocks in brewery sectors, ranging from international breweries to Nigerian breweries to Guinness. They showed spectacular performance. We also saw good performance in Cadbury. And so what you're seeing in the market is the reaction to this result that were published at the beginning of, at the end of last month, we had the Q1 results. And we still expect that this trend will continue. But beyond the consumer goods sector, we have sort of like a contagion that's a situation a positive momentum in one sector is spilling over the market. We also saw that we're also seeing very strong performance from the agricultural sector. That's notably at Okomoya. Okomoya, for the first time, has gone over 200 naira, trading at closing at 215 today. We also saw at the highest, all-time highest of 200 naira today. So that's a testament of the numbers that are coming from that sector. The war in Ukraine has triggered surge in demand for palm oil products internationally. So the price of palm oil has surged significantly. And when we saw the Q1 numbers of Okomoya, it gave us much to expect from Cresco as well. So summary of what's happening in the market, we still expect that this positive momentum will continue. We would trickle down to other stocks that have not today recorded significant rally.
I must thank you, Mr. Paul Azum. That's what time can take. He's an equities trader, Planet Capital Limited. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, outside our shores, Asian stocks fell to an almost 2-year low and the dollar hit its highest in 2 decades today as data showed U.S. inflation persistently hot, deepening investors' worries about the economic toll of aggressive interest rate hikes to tame it. U.S. markets are whipsawed after the news, then closed sharply lower. S&P 500 futures gave up early gains to fall 0.2% in Asian session. European futures also fell, with Euro Stock 50 futures down 2%, FTSE futures down 1.6%. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan fell 2.3% to a 22-month low. Japan's Nikkei fell 1.8%. Treasuries were bid in Asia, especially at the long end, flattening the yield curve as investors braced for near-term hikes to hurt long-run growth. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yields fell 6 basis points overnight and dropped a further 7 basis points to 2.85% today. The gap between 2 years and 10 years yield narrowed 4.2 basis points.